crazy. Get off my feet. Get off my feet. Get off my feet.
Mesothelioma is a rare form of cancer caused by exposure to asbestos. You may have been exposed to
Ouch.
asbestos if
Ouch.
you worked in mills or shipyards, the Navy, or in the automotive, construction, carpentry, heating, and insulation industries.
You may be entitled to receive financial compensation to help with the costs of treatment, medical bills, and care. Call the Rely On Group now to be connected with an experienced attorney for a free consultation and to see if you may qualify for financial compensation. There is absolutely no risk on your part.
If your loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, call now for your free legal consultation. 800-805-0158. That's 800-805-0158.
I got something cool to do.
On the Story with Eric and Hill, Monday at 1 on HLN.
This might be cool.
Sending threatening emails to Darlene Vandergeesen, Daphne Wright became the prime suspect in her disappearance. Police got a search warrant for Daphne's house, and what they found inside was troubling.
I remember the smell of paint and the smell of cleaning products, especially when we got down towards the basement.
They look in the kitchen garbage, and there's a half-full bottle of chainsaw oil, and they look a little further, and there's a receipt for Ace Hardware for a chainsaw purchase just a few days ago.
This was the time of year in South Dakota where chainsaws are not in huge demand.
But there was no chainsaw in Daphne's house or anywhere on her property.
My dog is old.
Downstairs,
She's growing
the
up.
basement had been painted.
She's growing up real
blue
fast.
paint. There would be a spot painted here and then a spot painted there. And there'd be different
She's
sizes.
really growing. Oh, you took your glasses off. You're blind. No, you're gonna be blind. Don't eat your glasses, man. Man, don't.
Parts of the steps, but not all the steps. A few feet away was a small room that had once been used to store coal.
The floor was
Come on, dog. He wouldn't put his glasses on.
Paint was still tacky and soft to the touch, indicating that it had been freshly
Come
painted.
on, man.
Police also
See.
noticed 7 distinct symmetrical cuts in the concrete floor.
Several of us made a comment that
Huh?
it almost looked
My
like
dog's
a
so
chainsaw.
smart they give me dap. Give me dap, Strike. Yes. Look. Give me dap. Give me dap. Stripey. No, no, you're messing up my video. No, no.
Daphne's picture.
No, 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 no.
One of the clerks was able to say, yes, I sold the chainsaw to a
Look at
woman.
my other dog. She was perfect. You don't want to put his smart glasses on.
Daphne Wright to a T.
She came in with a note that said tree cutting machine. And he took her to the wrong section at first because he misunderstood, but then he took her to the chainsaw section.
Shake my
She
hand.
was very worried about the price.
Yes.
And she
Yes.
picked out the cheapest chainsaw available at the store.
Look at her.
Once scientists got into Daphne Wright's
This is the
basement,
big one.
they have no difficulty finding even more incriminating evidence on the wooden walls of the coal storage room.
Don't lick me.
We were able to see on the walls some very small, tiny pieces of bone and what appeared to be tissue.
Yes.
Investigators
Good to meet you.
collected the tissue and bone
Good to
samples
finally
for
meet you, sir.
analysis and compared those samples to the DNA they obtained from
Every time you
Darlene's
say
tooth
me, I'll
and
say, no.
hairbrushes.
This is my video.
That day, we were met by a couple of detectives and we
Dog
were
is on the
escorted
loose.
upstairs. And when we opened the room, when they introduced you
Loves
to
my babies.
the chaplain, to the chief of police,
That's too much
and all
love.
the detectives are in the room, and asked you to sit down, you know the news you're going to receive is not good. And it wasn't.
Darlene's
My dog is
DNA
standing tall.
matched the blood
Y'all
and
barely can see
tissue
stuff because my
found
house is dark.
in Daphne's
But look at my
basement.
dog. Look at the other one. You can see her.
Darlene was
She
coming
cute.
between her and Sally. And the only way that she could take her was to eliminate her from the picture. But investigators